In most EU countries, buildings contribute to about 40% energy use and 36% to greenhouse emissions. The way we build our homes, offices, and infrastructure has a profound impact on the environment. Traditional construction methods often rely on materials that produce large amounts of greenhouse gas emissions. From concrete production to transportation, every step of the construction process contributes to carbon pollution. However, by using eco-friendly materials, minimizing waste, and maximizing energy efficiency, we create a resilient, sustainable built environment. This is what the BioBuild project is achieving: thermal solutions for green buildings through innovative bio-based solutions. The project aims to reduce up to 20% of thermal energy demand in buildings through the use of bio-composite building materials derived from renewable sources. This innovative approach will integrate bio-phase change material into solid wood and fibers bound together by plant oil resins, lignin, or fungal mycelium. Bio-PCMs are derived from renewable bio-based sources such as plant oils and encapsulated in solid wood or wood fibers derived from the endless renewable source, forests. This dynamic thermal regulation reduces energy consumption, leading to more stable temperatures and improved comfort. But first, how does the project achieve this? BioBuild uses cutting-edge technology and innovative methods such as impregnation. By impregnating the wood, pressure and durability are significantly enhanced, ensuring optimal performance. However, with impregnation, there is a challenge: potential leaching of the bio-PCMs. How do we prevent this from happening? BioBuild will employ thermal modification, creating a partial vacuum inside the reactor while the wood is thermally modified at temperatures over 200 degrees. But that's not all. BioBuild also uses microwave radiation to increase the temperature of the wood cell wall rapidly and modify the main structural compounds together with some macro effects. In BioBuild, pine, beech, spruce, and poplar undergo irradiation before bio-PCM impregnation. The projects will design and showcase wooden houses with innovative wallboards and parquet in Sweden and Spain. But we don't just build. We're transforming homes and other buildings, making them cozier in cold climates and cooler in warm regions. BioBuild is ensuring sustainability for generations to come. Join us as we shape the future of construction.